Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Sunday, March 31st, and I just went to Price Chopper. Sundays, as pretty much all markets, are the days when things go on sale for the week. So I did grab some things at Price Chopper. There's also going to be another haul or two after this one. My schedule is changing now. I am just tomorrow, actually, April 1st, starting 2 part-time jobs outside of the home in addition to YouTube. So life is going to be changing, and I'm going to have to start going grocery shopping at different times. Normally I went on Wednesday mornings, but now I'll be working, so I'm going to have to do things a little bit differently. So Price Chopper, everything here was $47. I think I'm going to start on this side this time. I got some corn on the cob. We are just about getting into like the season where we can grill outside because the weather has, knock on wood, been cooperating. So I got some corn to grill or just to use for all different things. I got 3 pounds of the Shady Brook Farms ground turkey. I'm going to portion this out in 3 different sections and use one today actually for some meal prep and freeze the other 2 pounds in 1 pound increments. I got some chicken breast cutlets. They were $3.95 for this package, and I think it's, I don't know, like almost a pound or so. But anyways, I got that to freeze to use for meal or food prep next week. I got some shrimp here, some jumbo raw shrimp that I need to use as well for some, I'm going to put this in the freezer and do some food prep, meal prep for next week. I got a dozen eggs because I used up the last of mine for hard-boiled eggs. White mushrooms were buy one, get one free. I believe they were $2.49 each, and then I got the second one for free. I got some romaine hearts to use. I'm in a big salad kick lately. I got some turkey for my husband's lunches for the upcoming week, or mine. Some coleslaw mix to use for some food prep with some of the turkey. I am trying out sugar-free creamer. Walmart, I don't believe, has sugar-free. I could be mistaken. I have to check next time I go. But I've been hearing a lot about people liking sugar-free, so I'm going to try it. I am a diet soda and diet drink fan. I only have 1 or 2 a day, but I like the diet taste. I know that might be weird, but I'm going to try this. If I don't like it, I'll never buy it again. But this is for me. It's the Italian sweet cream. My hubby won't like this, so he'll just have the normal Walmart creamer that we get. But I'm going to try sugar-free out just to see if I like it. I've just been curious about it for a while, so I'm going to give that a shot. Got some bananas for my son. He's been asking for them. I got some Price Chopper brand everything bagels. They were on sale for $2, I believe, $2.49 for 6 of them. These were buy one, get 2. That is the only reason I got 3. I was going to just get 1 box, but how can you pass up buy one, get 2? So I got 2 of the party cakes and 1 of the crumb cake. My hubby will really like the crumb cake one. So yeah, this is everything I got from Price Chopper, guys, and I will show you the next haul after this. Hey guys, here is my Walmart haul. It is currently Thursday, and I had about a 2-hour break between my 2 jobs, so I ran to Walmart because I was nearby and grabbed everything I needed for the rest of the week and into next week. So this haul was $90. A lot of the stuff is for my mom's birthday. Her birthday is Saturday, so we're having a little impromptu barbecue here because the weather is supposed to be gorgeous, and we just figured rather than go out or try to make a huge ordeal, we're just going to have a casual barbecue. So at Walmart, I got some grapes. They were expensive, but they were really good. So I got about 1.5 pounds of green grapes. I got some Italian dressing for pasta salad that I have to make for my mom's barbecue. Some of my cat's food, the pasta for the pasta salad. This is the one I usually use, the Barilla Tricolor Rotini. It's really good for pasta salad. I got some grape tomatoes, some for the pasta salad and some for the kebabs. We're going to do like kebab skewer on the grill, chicken with veggies marinated. So I got 2 of those. I got some strawberries, some red onion for the skewers, and also just for salads and general everyday use. And I also got some white onions because I go through a lot of cooking onions in most of the recipes that I make, so I needed both of those. The red peppers were $1.48, so I got the largest ones I could since they were not per pound, they were just per pepper. So I got 2 large red peppers, again, 1 for the pasta salad and then the rest for the skewer kebabs. I got some Great Value brand rainbow fat-free like sorbet because I want to try and make like a sorbet punch with some ginger ale and this and then some rum. We'll see how that goes. I have to look up some recipes. I got some shredded carrots to chop up and throw in the pasta salad. I also use these on salads. I got some Breyers natural vanilla cups. These are pretty small, but I like to have these for portion control, and also I thought they'd be good for my mom's birthday this weekend with cake. If anybody wants ice cream, we have it. I also grabbed these Skinny Cow mint chocolate little sandwiches. I've heard great things about Skinny Cow brand. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them. So I grabbed these for a treat. I like to buy a lot more frozen ice creamy treats in the warmer months. I got some pickle spears. This is the Walmart brand spears because I like pickles when I have sandwiches. I also like to pack these with my husband's wraps and sandwiches as well. This is a newer discovery for me. I discovered this brand from Boxed.com. If you saw my grocery haul last week, you saw me share one of the freebies, and it was the Parmesan. I looked for this, or the Parmesan one, on Boxed.com, but you can only buy it in a multi-pack with the Imagine yogurt stars. So I did see that Walmart had this brand. So I'm trying the white cheddar. The Parmesan ones were really good. Walmart also had the yogurt stars. But I'm going to go ahead and try these white cheddar ones. They were really good, really light, and something different. And I'm always looking for different snacky things. So I got the white cheddar ones. And I also ran out of Worcestershire sauce. I like this specifically for ground turkey. I think it gives it a really good flavor. And I always get the reduced sodium one because I think it tastes just as good but a lot less salt. So I grabbed that. I got some Philadelphia cream cheese for bagels for Matt because he likes cream cheese on his bagels. A cucumber for the pasta salad, and whatever's left I'll just use on regular tossed salads. I got my favorite McCormick marinade. This is the Baja Citrus. I got 3 of them. They're 98 cents, and these are amazing. I'm going to use 2 of them for the skewers this weekend for my mom's barbecue, and then I'll have a backup. I also love the tomato basil one as well. I got some Pepperidge Farm dark chocolate pecan cookies as a little treat, and some Blue Diamond almonds. I got the big bag. It's the best bang for your buck. And my favorite flavor is this one, the wasabi and soy sauce, and I'll just portion these out in little baggies as needed. This will be a great snack for me to take to work. I'm not sure if Matt's a fan of wasabi, but we'll find out. I also got some Triscuit 4 cheese and herb crackers because for my mom's party this weekend, we're going to do crackers and cheese and pepperoni, that kind of thing. So I needed some more crackers. I got a big thing of Perdue chicken breast at Walmart. This was $9.45 and this is just under 3 pounds. And I'll just cut all these breasts up and marinate them in the marinade and then skewer them. I got a Peppa Pig little bubble wand for Grady because I don't know why, but randomly he's been into Peppa Pig. So this is going to go into his Easter basket. So I grabbed that. I'm collecting little things here and there. And then lastly, I just got a couple greeting cards for my mom's birthday. One from Grady and one from Matt and I to my mom. So yeah, guys, this is everything I got at Walmart this week, and I'm going to share with you my meal plan now for next week. Alright guys, before I show you my meal plan, I actually got a delivery while I was at work today from Boxed.com, the order that I placed a few days ago, so I thought I would just throw that in there for you as well. You guys seem to like seeing the things that I get from there. So Boxed, if you don't know, is an online wholesale company, and it's perfect for if you don't have a wholesale company or a wholesale store near you. Or you do and you don't want to pay like a yearly membership fee. There's no membership fee for them. I find they ship really fast. They do ship out of New Jersey. I don't know if they have other locations in the country, but I always get my boxes literally when they ship. I get a shipping notification and the next day it comes UPS. So I do have a $15 off your first purchase of $60 or more, and that does include free shipping. It's just really convenient for me, especially now more than ever, as I just started this week with a couple jobs. So I just don't have the time anymore. So I did grab some things and thought I would share them with you. One thing I wanted to mention is they have a house brand called Prince and Spring, which is like their company house brand, like Great Value is Walmart's brand. I have tried several things from this company. I've tried their cleaning wipes, I've tried their paper towels, I've tried their fabric softener, or their liquid fabric softener, I've tried toilet paper, and I'm really happy with it. So we actually needed more of the cube size tissues. And I usually always buy Kleenex, but I've been so impressed with this brand that I saw they had their own brand of the cube tissues, and they were about $6 or $5 cheaper than the Kleenex brand for the same amount. So I got this thing, I believe it was $11.99 for this cube, and then one of the free samples that you could choose from, you get 2 with each order, is an additional box. So this is going to be perfect. We go through these quite quickly because we keep this size box. I keep 1 in my vehicle. Matt keeps 1 in his truck. We have 1 in Grady's room, 1 in our master bedroom, 1 in each bathroom. So we do like to have tissues on hand all the time, and now we're getting into pollen and allergy season, so I grabbed those. I was actually running really low on dryer sheets, so it was perfectly convenient. I could order these right on boxed, and this is a huge box of 240 of the Bounce, the Outdoor Fresh scent. So that's perfect because I think I have 1 dryer sheet left. Another freebie, free sample that I chose is the Original Gummy Fun Mix. It's like these little gummy candies. I just thought it was a cute little freebie to throw in my bag. Also, I've been wanting to purchase a bottle of avocado oil, but every time I've been at Walmart, they do carry it. I've just always forgotten and remembered when I got home. So I did happen to see that they had this, so I got the Better Body Foods avocado oil. This is a 33.8 ounce bottle. So yeah, anyways guys, I'm excited to try this and cook with it. I just heard it's pretty healthy to cook with, and it has a high smoking point. I don't know, I just think it'll be good like on roasted veggies or just trying different things. So I'm excited to try that. I also needed some more K-Cups. I drink non-flavored coffee. Most of you guys know this, and Matt likes like hazelnut or different. Matt's a flavored coffee person. I am a non-flavored coffee person. So I thought once again I would give this brand a try. They did have name brand K-Cups, but they were substantially more expensive. This was much cheaper, the Prince and Spring brand. So I got the organic donut shop blend, and there's 80 cups in here. They never put the prices on the invoice, but I know this was substantially cheaper than I could pay for a name brand, even with a coupon at like Bed Bath & Beyond, where sometimes is where I get my bigger boxes of K-Cups. So I'm excited to try these. And also, now that we're into spring, we do a ton of grilling. We actually eat outside as much as we can. And I really do prefer the paper plates because, for one, we're outside. I don't have to worry about anything breaking. It cuts down on doing the dishes. I can spend more time outside. So I ordered a huge variety pack. These 5 stacks actually came in this Dixie box. So it's obviously the Dixie brand. And I got 44 of the Craft Emeralds. It's like an animal print one. And then a 3-pack of 44 in each of these. So I'm imagining these will probably last me all summer. Even when we have people over, we have a lot of barbecues, we just eat outside a lot. So I thought these would be great. The price was right, and it was a way for me to get them in bulk without having to leave my house because it was delivered right to my door. So anyways guys, that is all for the hauls this week, and now I'm really going to show you my meal plan. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. One night we're going to do barbecue chicken on the grill. I'll use one of my McCormick marinade packs, maybe a Baja one if I have one left, or another one that I have in my little cabinet. So we'll do some kind of chicken on the grill. I have twice baked potatoes that I actually made after work one night. I actually was in just a mood to do a little bit of prep. So I made a batch of twice baked potatoes, like a freezer batch, and they were really good. I actually took one for work with a salad. So I have some of those I can thaw out. So we'll do chicken on the grill, twice baked potatoes, and I'll do salad or some kind of veggies on the grill. We do have like a veggie grilling pan. Another night we're going to do some non-mini pizzas on the grill. I have a whole video on how we do the pizzas on the grill. I'll find it and link it below. And then with that, I'll do a salad, either Caesar or a Greek salad. I have the ingredients to pretty much do either. I want to do a crock pot meal one night next week, probably on a night when I have back-to-back jobs and then I have to take my son to speech therapy after, and I won't be getting home till late, so the crock pot will come in handy. And I actually dug in my little seasoning collection and I found the McCormick General Tso's chicken. I think this was like a limited edition. Yeah, it says it was. So I don't know if you can still find this. But back when it came out, I actually grabbed a handful because I knew that it could be limited, meaning it would be gone quickly. So I might go ahead and make this. I have chicken thighs. I would just have to pick up some broccoli quickly between jobs. So I might do this, or I also could do chili. I have the beef, I have the tomatoes, and I have the beans already. So I'll throw one of these into the crock pot on that busy night next week when I have both jobs and Grady's therapy after school. Another night we're going to do burgers and hot dogs on the grill. I have burgers and I have hot dogs. I just have to check in my freezer to see if I have hot dog buns and hamburger buns to make sure I don't need to pick those up. And I'll do either a pasta salad or a potato salad on the side. I actually have videos on my potato salad and different pasta salads, so I'll link all the ones I can find in the description box down below. I'm going to do sweet and spicy Korean beef with some ground beef one night with that Innovations brand garlic sizzling rice, which is really good, and then some kind of veggie. Pretty sure I have a video on this, so I'll link that below as well. Next Friday, I'm going to do a no meat night. I just have no clue what it's going to be yet, so I left it blank with a question mark. And then, of course, I have my freebie night, which is a night when I can either have leftovers. Sometimes my mom calls and says come for dinner, which is usually on a Sunday, or I can just kind of freestyle and make whatever I want. So yeah, I'm trying to keep it pretty simple. Luckily, we have a good stretch of nice weather coming up to be able to grill a few days next week, which will really come in handy because I really love to be outside as much as I can. So yeah, guys, this was my meal plan and hauls for the week. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back Monday with a new What's for Dinner video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.